What a day at Spotify Camp Nou. Seating steps confirmed installed across multiple sections of the third tier. Box 23 being prepared for its lift. 2 full sections of ceramic slats closed at the lateral midsection. Rare access inside the underground parking structure. And the cafeteria diamond entering its next phase. Every single zone delivered today, and some of it was genuinely historic. Here is everything that happened. Starting at the third tier, because today delivered the moment that everyone has been waiting for. Seating steps are now confirmed installed across the Tribune section of the third tier. Wide steps already visible and in position. This is a zone where just days ago only the drilling and anchor hole preparation had been seen. The pace of the step installation is fast, with workers using a mobile crane to lower each individual step into its exact position one by one. One worker above, one below, precise and efficient. The lateral sections already had steps placed earlier, but seeing them now spreading into the Tribune section confirms this phase is moving around the full circuit quickly, and the end result is going to transform how the third tier looks from every angle. Concrete slabs were also being lifted at the south goal curve section, confirming that the third tier closing sequence is active in multiple zones at the same time. At the lateral midsection, 2 full ceramic slat sections are now confirmed closed and united. After a long wait, this section is finally complete, and the crane was still active during the visit, placing the final remaining slats to finish the zone entirely. The visual impact of seeing connected slat sections across the full lateral mid-zone is already impressive, and it is only going to get better as more sections close around the stadium. This is one of those moments that makes every week of waiting feel completely worth it. Box 23 of the compression ring was also being prepared today, with 2 boxes already confirmed, with slings attached and cleaned down ready for lifting. Workers were actively washing the boxes before the lift to remove any mud or residue that had built up. The ring is running at close to 1 box per working day right now, and the material stock on the ground confirms that pace is not going to slow down. Radial beams, pillars, and boxes are all staged and waiting. The Simbra teams from Ulma are also advancing, placing the support structures that the ring needs before each new pillar and box sequence can begin. The south goal direction is also being actively prepared with pillar and beam staging visible in that zone, confirming the ring is being serviced from multiple directions simultaneously. Now underground, because today gave us a look inside the lateral parking structure that most people have never seen. The 2-level underground car park wrapping the full lateral is now well advanced and in its installation phase. Ventilation systems, lighting rigs, and cabling are all being actively fitted with multiple crews and machinery confirmed working across both floors simultaneously. The scale of the space is difficult to appreciate from the outside, but seeing it from the inside makes it very clear just how much is being built below ground level that nobody ever talks about. This is a project within a project, and it is running in parallel with everything happening above. The diamond structures in the lateral will eventually connect directly to the parking level via elevators and staircases once those elements are installed. Those 3 lateral diamonds are still pending, but the connection points are already being designed into the structure below, and when they are in place, the flow between the parking and the exterior of the stadium will be seamless. At the north goal zone, the ceramic slat installation team that had been working in the corner sections has now moved to the lateral midsection to complete the slats there. The corner sections themselves are fully clad, and the next sector is confirmed ready with all anchors in place. Painting is the remaining step before slats can go up in that sector, and a worker applying Masilla preparation coat was spotted in this zone today, which points toward painting being very close. Once that is done, the slat installation can transfer back immediately without any further delay. Also at the north goal, the sandwich panel that had been resisting installation for 15 minutes during the previous visit was still not fully confirmed seated. Workers were still active in this area, working on the connection. The batwing hanging bar superstructure for the ceramic slats is also continuing to advance with welding of the first attachment points confirmed active on the right side section as well. At the North Goal Tribune corner area, the slat support framework is advancing with vertical connecting pieces being installed section by section, working toward the mobility nucleus. The curve in the superstructure here is visually striking, showing exactly how the slat line will drop lower in the Tribune section compared to the north goal. That visual effect when the full circuit is clad is going to be something genuinely special and unlike anything seen at a stadium before. At the shop, diamond workers were visible on site today, with profile finishing work on the front face ongoing. At the cafeteria, Diamond, the cleaning and preparation phase, is active with workers clearing the roof surface and taking measurements. The waterproofing treatment is clearly being planned, and based on what was seen today, it is not far away at all. At the south goal zone, the slat support nucleus at the south goal lateral corner is well advanced with the superstructure already in place and slat installation potentially very close in that specific section. The south goal lateral diamond also showed a significant development today, with blue protective covers placed over the structure. That is a clear signal that interior work is about to begin inside that diamond, and if it opens for the coming season, it would complete the entire south goal lateral frontage as a fully operational zone. At the VIP ring, a concrete pump was confirmed active, pointing toward the upper section of the third cantilever at the south goal area. The painter was also confirmed working in the Tribune section of the VIP ring, applying black paint to the second cantilever and esquadra framework. The painter being active and visible in these zones is exactly the sign needed before slat installation can close out the remaining unpainted sections across the full circuit. That is everything from today. Steps going in on the third tier. Slats closing at the lateral. Box 23 being loaded. The parking structure confirmed well advanced underground. And the cafeteria diamond about to enter its waterproofing phase. Every zone moved today, and the pace heading into the summer is building fast. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe if you have not already. See you next time. See you